When you're looking for the perfect side dish for an upcoming family holiday dinner or a big occasion dinner, why not try my baked corn casserole? Now, this is an easy to make side dish that goes really well with so many different proteins, and you can make it with things you probably already have in your refrigerator and in your pantry. Now, the first thing we've done is we preheated our oven to 350 degrees, and we've pre-sprayed with some nonstick cooking spray a 9x13 casserole dish. That's all you need to do to get started. And then get out a great big mixing bowl, grab your spurtle, and let's get started with the ingredients. Now, this is super easy. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is go to your pantry and find a can of whole kernel corn and a can of creamed corn. Now take that whole kernel corn and drain all the liquid off, and then take the corn and get that right into the bowl. From there, we're going to take the creamed corn and put it right in just the way it comes out of the can. I like to call this no calorie left behind baked corn casserole because there are lots of goodies in here that make it taste great. 1 beaten egg goes inside. Then we're going to take a stick of room temperature softened butter. Doesn't have to be melted, but should be nice and soft so it can fold neatly into the casserole. 1 cup of sour cream. This is a very rich casserole. It's a perfect side dish. A lot of people love making this for Thanksgiving and for Christmas gatherings. And then finally, a box of corn muffin mix. Now, this is one I bought in a jiffy. Hint, hint. So this is going to be something that is really easy. Pop this inside and then just give everything a stir until all of your ingredients are incorporated. Now remember, that butter should be nice and softened so it can be pushed and folded right into your casserole mixture. And if it starts to smell really sweet, it should, because there's a lot of sugar in that corn pudding boxed mix. There we are. Now let's get our 9x13 ready to go. And you want to take these ingredients and get them right inside. Remember to pre-spray this with a little nonstick cooking spray so you're not dealing with any sticking after the fact. And then we want to even this out in the casserole dish. Now, the recipe will call to put this in a 3-quart dish. I know my 9x13 is a 4-quart, so it just means it won't rise up quite as much in the pan, but it all depends on what you have available to you. Now, one last step before this goes in the oven, you want to cover it. So we got a sheet of aluminum foil, and we'll create a nice tight seal. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. This will go into the oven about 55 to 60 minutes until it's golden brown and lovely. So it's been about an hour, and we're now taking this out of the oven. It smells incredible, sweet and perfect for all of your big occasion meals. Pop off that piece of aluminum foil and you got a really beautiful, dense baked corn casserole. Some people call it corn pudding. I call it delicious. Now, we'll get our bowl, get ourselves a nice helping. Again, this is a great side dish. It also keeps really well for leftovers, and you're going to love it for your next big occasion dinner. Just make sure that you save enough for yourself to enjoy a great big bite of David's baked corn casserole. You'll have happy dances all around the dinner table.